Assalamu alaikum, dear students of Standard 6. This is Afsana Begum welcoming you to your Islam and Moral Education class. Students, today we will start our class with the first chapter of our text, chapter 1. Chapter 1 is about Aqaid. Let us start. Aqaid is an Arabic word. It is plural, meaning beliefs. Its singular term is Aqidah, which means belief. Belief or faith in the fundamental aspects of Islam is called Aqaid. It means to keep faith or putting trust in Allah, prophets and messengers, angels, Akhirat and Taqdeer, heavenly books, hereafter, etc. So, again we can say Aqaid is the plural form of the Arabic word Aqidah. It denotes a set of beliefs. The 6 pillars of faith in Islam: belief in the existence of Allah, belief in the existence of angels, belief in the books of Allah, belief in Allah's messengers and that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last of them, belief in the day of judgment, belief in taqdeer or fate, and we have to have firm belief in all basic elements of Islam, which is regarded as Aqidah or Aqaid to be a true Muslim. Finally, you can say the purpose of Islam is to develop exceptional human beings based on Aqidah. Those who have faith will have a good worldly life and in turn will have a positive influence on people around and also will be rewarded in the life hereafter. Dear students, in the picture we can see an indication. Can you tell through this indication what do we Muslims mean? Yes, we mean oneness of Allah, that is monotheism. So dear students, today we will read lesson 1, Tawheed. Lesson 1, Tawheed. Tawheed is the concept of Allah in Islam, which says that only one Allah exists. Meaning of Tawheed. Tawheed is an Arabic word. In English, this means monotheism. Tawheed or monotheism is to believe that Allah is one and the only. He is the only one to create, sustain and provide livelihood. He is the only deity, that is Ilah. Such faith in Allah is called Tawheed. Identity of Allah. Allah is one and the only. He is not the only one as an entity but also unique in attributes. Attributes mean qualities. It means Allah the Almighty is one. He has no equal or no one is comparable to Him. He is not begotten by anyone, nor is anyone begotten by Him. That is, He has neither taken birth from anyone, nor He has given birth to anybody. Allah is also unique in respect of qualities. He possesses all the excellent qualities. He is eternal, ever alive, and the truth. He creates, sustains, protects, rewards, punishes, etc. He has no partner. None is equal or comparable to Him. Nothing can be compared to His qualities. He Himself is His comparison. Significance of Tawheed. We can see various kinds of things around us. There are beautiful fruits, flowers, trees, creepers, animals, birds, etc. Besides, there are rivers, creeks, hills, mountains, woods, forests, oceans, and seas. Furthermore, we have the vast sky, the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, etc. There are organisms and objects that we cannot see with bare eyes. Bare eyes means naked eyes, that is, uncovered eyes. All these are parts of the creation. These could not have been created without a creator. A creator must have created these, and that creator is Almighty Allah. He has created everything all by himself. He did not need any assistant. Everything comes into being as soon as he says, be. He has created everything in the universe for the welfare of mankind. Humans derive benefit from these by applying their wisdom and intelligence. Therefore, man should express gratefulness to his Creator. He should be loyal to only Allah and worship Him. None can be made his partner in the matter of worship. Welfare and success in this worldly life and life in the hereafter can be achieved through obedience to Tawheed or monotheism. As a true Muslim, we all must believe in heart there is no God but Allah. La ilaha illallah. So, the importance of faith in Tawheed is very immense. The most important thing in Aqaid is the belief in Tawheed or monotheism. The main basis of Iman and Islam is Tawheed. All the messengers and prophets have made the invitation of Tawheed. All of them have declared that Allah is one and unique. Nothing can be compared to Him. Belief in Tawheed provides welfare for man in this world, and those who have faith in Tawheed will be granted Jannat in the hereafter. Now, an instance of belief in Tawheed. Instance mean you can say case, example or situation. All of us have heard the name of Ibrahim alayhi salam. He was a prophet and a messenger. He was born in a pagan family. Pagan means who worship idols. His father was the priest of a temple. The people of his time did not believe in monotheism or Tawheed. Rather, they used to worship idols. They also worshipped their king Namrud. Hazrat Ibrahim a.s. did not do those things. He thought that neither idols nor Namrud could be the creator of anything because Namrud himself and the idols themselves could be destroyed. Therefore, it was not right to worship any of them. He continued to think about the Creator. First, he thought that the stars in the sky, the moon, the sun, etc. were the creators of mankind. But when these disappeared one after another, he realized that they could not be the deity of mankind because none of those were permanent. They set or disappear. So, the one who has created everything and is conducting everything smoothly should be the deity, the Lord. So, he developed belief in that unseen entity and established his faith in Tawheed. Thus, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam bore testimony to monotheism of Allah through observing various creations in the universe. Still, a question might arise. What would happen if there were more deities than one? Dear students, if we look closely, we can find that the universe is designed in an intelligent way, indicating that these are done by one single creator. If there were more, the design would be not in order and different parts of the universe would be different. There would be different laws on physics and other matters too. The world would be corrupted and every god would try to build a larger community, trying to win more followers and more power. Humans would be like a football in the playground from one league to another, isn't it? Each god would try to claim the throne, and as a result, chaos and indiscipline would fall on the creation. There would be disagreements on different issues, and there would be no stability in the universe. So, dears, it is to believe that Allah alone is worthy of the throne and no other deities can be compared to him. Therefore, the meaning of Tawheed is monotheism. Allah is one and unique in his entity and attributes. We shall believe in Tawheed and act in accordance with that. We shall not set up anything as partners with Allah. Finally, we can say Tawheed is the fundamental belief that Allah is one and that there is only one Allah. Finally, it is that Tawheed means oneness and is at the heart of Muslim faith. Students, here are some words and their meanings. Hope they will make you help understand your lesson more clearly. Derive, get, obtain, take. Idol, meaning an image or representation of a god used as an object of worship. Pagan, idol worshipping. Priest, religious leader. Deity, creator and supreme being, or god or goddesses. Entity, a thing with distinct and independent existence. Now, here are some questions related to your lesson. Question number 1. What is Aqaid? What do you mean by Aqaid? Question 2. What are the fundamental aspects of faith in Islam? Number 3. What is called Tawheed? What do you mean by Tawheed? Explain the significance of Tawheed. Why is it important to have faith, belief in Tawheed? And number 6 question. What would happen if there were more than one God or Ilah in the universe? Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Be blessed. Stay safe.